Today we will start our tutorial. It will be about cell component. You started before with Dr. Ala a brief account on cell biology. Today we will express what is mean of cell. It is the basic unit of structure of any living organism. First of all, if you want to compare about any cells, you have to compare about size, shape. It is not all the same. There is a difference between cells in size and shape according to the function it will be doing. We have two types of cells, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotics, which is don't contain true nuclei, while eukaryotic contains nuclei. And we will start to differentiate between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So, prokaryotic cells without membrane-bound structure, and an example is bacteria. Eukaryotic cells with membrane-bound structure, example animal, plants, fungi, protista. So it will be having nucleus. Don't forget. Now we will know what about cell wall. Cell wall, it protects the cell, gives its shape, rigidity, and in plants it made of cellulose. A cell wall is found in plants, algae, fungi, and bacteria. The second structure will be the cell membrane, its outer covering protective layer around all cells. All cells must have cell membrane. For the cells with cell wall, the cell membrane is inside the cell wall. It allows permission to pass what the cell needs. If she needs food, oxygen, water, so it will pass into the cell. And if it has wastes, so it will pass out of the cell. Third structure will be cytoplasm. It is gelatin-like inside cell membrane. It contains all the organs inside the cell, constantly flows. And now the most important structure, it is the nucleus. All know that the nucleus is the master in the cell, as it directs all cell activity, contains all structure for everything the cell needs. These structures are found on hereditary material called DNA. So nucleus contain chromosome and messenger RNA and DNA, all genetic materials you need. Usually the largest organelle inside the cell. Nuclear membrane, it will separate between nucleus and cytoplasm. The function of nuclear membrane is to control movement of materials in and out of nucleus. What does the nucleus need? It will be in. What it doesn't need, so it will be out of the nucleus. Chromatin or chromosome, it contains genetic materials, genetic codes. It carries DNA, which express a protein synthesis by making messenger RNA, then translation into protein. And we will discuss this part later in another lecture. Chloroplasts, it's found only in plant cells. Green organelles that make food. It takes energy from the sun, and through chemical reaction it will form sugar and oxygen. Chlorophyll, also green pigment that give leaves and stems their color. It captures sunlight, takes sunlight, and it converts it into food and glucose. Now we came to the store of the energy, or house of energy, is the mitochondria. Organelles that release energy from food. You can suggest that or imagine that muscle cells contain 20,000 mitochondria because it needs more energy. Ribosomes, it is the place where protein is manufactured. It is the place where protein is synthesized. So we need the ribosome to make protein. These float freely or attached to endoplasmic reticulum, and in this case it will be called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosome found in nucleus inside in nucleus. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is the network found inside the cell and always in motion, folded membranes that move material protein around cells. Two types, smooth without ribosome or a rough with ribosome attached to it. Golgi body or Golgi apparatus, stacked flattened membranes, sort and package protein. He will sort types of protein and package it before it will go outside the cell. The vacuoles, it is a place where storage of food, water, waste till the need of it. So you synthesize protein, synthesize sugar, glucose, and when cell need it, it will take it from vacuole. A lysosome is enzyme and it have a lot of function. First, it digests things. Second, it has immune function, and we will study it in immunology in third level. They might be used to digest food or break down the cell when it dies. It's only not in cell dies. It is used as it breaks down the cell wall of bacteria. So it have immune action. Break down food, cell wastes, and worn out cell parts. Now we will form from cell to organism. Cell is the basic unit. Group of cell will compose tissue. Group of tissue will form organs. Organs will form system. Then system will make living organism. This figure is summarized of what is the cell and what is its component. As we saw, number one is nucleus. As we said, it is the most important organ in a cell. Two, chromosomes, which carry genetic information. Mitochondria is the storage of energy. Ribosome is a place where protein is manufactured. Chloroplast, if the organs make its own food, so we need chloroplast. Endoplasmic vacuoles, it is the storage place for synthesized materials or food. Endoplasmic reticulum, we said we have two types, smooth endoplasmic reticulum or rough endoplasmic reticulum with ribosome. The cell membrane, it is the boundary of the cell which permit and allow passage in and out of the cell. As you see, it is exit entrance. Who control passage of substance is the cell membrane.